How to trace mandala petals using a compass. First step. Mark the center of the paper. Trace a horizontal line crossing the center. Then trace a vertical line crossing the center. Measure 5 centimeters from the center and mark 4 points on each side. Using a compass, trace 4 circles, having as a center the point marked previously. Then trace 2 diagonal lines crossing the intersection of the circles and measure 5 centimeters from the center and mark 4 points and use them as a center to trace 4 different circles. Second step, fill the first and the second set of petals with progressive curves. Third step. Fill the third and the fourth set of petals with teardrops and color the blank spaces with black. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.